Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to test the low brightness issue which is happening in the Poco F3 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Poco F3 smartphone, and a lot of users, they did ask me this kind of question that after using the phone for a long time with a high brightness, the brightness will automatically decrease to the low brightness. So it did happen in my Poco F3 device before when I'm trying to make a lot of videos on this phone. So the brightness got automatically decreased. I think that is happened because of the temperature during that time. But right now in this video, I'm going to test exactly friends that kind of scenario. I'll be playing the Call of Duty game with the full brightness. So I'm saying with that full brightness, I'll try to play the game continuously, and I'll be using this real-time FPS monitor, so where you can actually see the real-time temperature as well. So right now it's 32 degrees and I'm using 120 Hz refresh rate screen, as you can see friends clearly. So it's 32 degrees right now, and let's see while playing the Call of Duty after a long time, will the brightness will decrease or not. So we'll get to know all this kind of issues which is happening in the Poco F3. And recently my phone has got a software update. Maybe that might get fixed, I'm not sure, but let's get started friends with the video. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on the Poco F3 device. So just in case if you're curious to know what are other videos on this phone. So there's separate playlist for each and every smartphone which I purchased in my channel, as you can see here. So you can find so many interesting videos and playlists. All the links will be available in the description below friends. So let's get started once the update has been completed. So I'll try to show you. Right now I'll be using full 100% brightness, as you can clearly see friends, 100% brightness, and I connected to the Wi-Fi connection during this time. And let me even start the stopwatch as well, so we know exactly how long I did play the game. So right now I started the stopwatch, and right now the temperature has been increased to 35 degrees. If you noticed on the top here, 35.1 degrees, as you can clearly see here friends. So let me try to start the game, and let's see. I'll try to play the game for a couple of minutes, so maybe for 5 minutes, and I'll get to know easily so whether the brightness is decreasing or not. And I did not enable any auto brightness, as you can see here. The auto brightness is not enabled during this time of testing. So I just want to know what is the maximum brightness it makes the phone to decrease the brightness. So I just want to know that kind of threshold value from where the brightness is starting to decrease. So that's why I started to use this real-time FPS meter, so which is quite convenient and easy to see the real-time temperature as well. I'll try to play the game friends for the next couple of minutes as well, and I'll try to come back again, so demonstrating you what's happening after some time. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos, and don't forget to check the links in description. As you can see friends, I didn't feel any kind of lag during this time. Temperature is about 37.4. You can see here clearly temperature right now. Temperature 37.7 right now. Current temperature is at. So with the recent update, what's happening is that the real-time FPS meter got some kind of problem. So it's displaying some kind of different kind of messages every time. .6 temperature. Still I can see the brightness is same like before. Nothing got changed in the brightness. 39 degrees right now. So 39.5 degrees right now, as you can clearly see, friends. So again, I'll be back after some time of playing this game, and let's see how much time. So overall, friends, after 20 minutes and the phone temperature increased to 42 degrees, then the brightness started to decrease in this Poco F3 device. So that is when the brightness decreased a little bit. I can see the difference. I'm not sure whether you will be able to notice this kind of difference or not, but definitely I can see the difference, friends, when I'm trying to play the game before and now as well in terms of the brightness. So let me try to show you the brightness. As you can see, I'm trying to use up to the maximum brightness, but still I was unable to get that kind of maximum. You can see, so before, by this kind of level, by this kind of, I think 30%, the brightness used to be very high. These with the 50% brightness, friends, I'm trying to play the game, as you can see here. And let me try to put to the 100%, and these with the 100%. So the brightness is trying to increase very much, and again it's trying to decrease a little bit. So I'm not sure when that kind of issue will be fixed. And right now the temperature is at 43 degrees, as you can see here, friends, 43 degrees, 42.9 as well, as you can see here clearly. So well, definitely, friends, if the temperature is high, I think that is when the phone brightness is started to decrease to keep the temperature very low. So that might be one of the use case scenario here. So which is what happening, I think. So to prevent the phone from heating much, so that is when the screen brightness is trying to decrease. So if the screen brightness is very low, the temperature won't increase that much. So I think there's some kind of software thing which they need to fix it in the future. But overall, definitely, friends, there is an issue with the low brightness problem in this Poco F3 device. So definitely I'll try to update in the future as well. So after a few couple of updates, I'll just wait for the next couple of updates, and I'll let you know in case if there is any that kind of issue is continuing or it got fixed or not. So make sure to comment below, friends, what are your thoughts about this kind of issue. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more videos on this playlist of this Poco F3. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.